morning. We are back downtown today. I have some stuff to do down here. But before I head into my meetings, there is something I wanted to show you. Okay, so what we're going to do right now, we're going to go visit two very special beings, I'm going to call them, and you'll see why I'm calling them that. So this is a square in the center of Athens. In Greek it's called Platia Megali tou Genus Scholis. Now how does that translate? I guess it translates into the square of the great generation, the school of the great generation. I don't know, something like that. But what's so special about it is that it has two residents, these two olive trees. Now these olive trees are actually transplants. They used to be in the northern part of the Peloponnese, but they were transplanted here a few years back. I believe it was in 2005, I want to say, when the railroad was going through their field. And the one in the back, that one, is 1,500 years old. And this one right here, this little one, is 800 years old. Guys, that is literally living, breathing history. And look how beautifully they're doing. They're literally thriving. Let's go take a closer look. So here's the young one, 800-year-old being. What has it seen? I get goosebumps every time I come down here. And now this guy over here, this is 1,500 years old. Look at that. So when this little tree, well, this giant tree, was a little seedling, what was going on? It was 500 AD. So what was going on in this area in 500 AD? I think it must have been the Byzantine Empire. And look at that, now it's in the middle of this modern city. Time travelers. That's what these are, they're time travelers. So 15 centuries old olive tree offered to the municipality of Athens by Ergose SA within the framework of the Environmental Action for Olive Trees Rescue, which have been expropriated for the construction of the new railway line, Corinthos Patras section, and comes from Eleonas village in Eyalias area. It was transplanted in December 2015, not 2005, I was mistaken, 2015, by the Directorate of Green and Environment of the Municipality of Athens, with the assistance of the Ministry of National Defense, ADMI SA, and Tropiodomi Ltd company. Isn't that incredible? 1,500 years old. I know I've said it and I'm just repeating myself, but that is a time traveler. That is living history, and it gives me such goosebumps. Bit of wildlife for you. Crows fighting over bread. What has this tree seen? It literally boggles my mind to think about it. It's just living. I just get goosebumps. Nature is just so incredible. And this is the young tree, 800 years old. 800 years old. How is that even possible? This is what's so incredible to me, when finding these little gems around the city just makes every day special. And I feel like if you just rush past and you don't spend the time to look around you, you really miss such gems. Let this be a PSA to always pause, to smell the roses and Take a look at the olive trees. Let me give you a 360 of where we are now. We are at the corner of Vasilis Sofias and Kipisias Avenue. That's the National Art Gallery right there. There was the Hilton, which is now turning into a Conrad Hotel, I believe. Not sure. This is a very famous statue called the Runner. A Greek sculptor made it. I can't remember his name, but I'm going to figure it out and let you know. I'll put it on top of the screen. Beautiful fountain. Now over here you can see Vasilis Sofias Avenue with the beautiful buildings starting. There's the 1,000-year-old tree. This lovely little square park. And the younger 800-year-old tree.